Hello everyone, this is Doug from Novostella. I'm here at the Novostella office to introduce you to our company who is dedicated to smart lighting and smart home building. As the leading brand of smart floodlights, Novostella's sales volume has already hit over 1 million globally. Integrated with emerging IoT technology, Novostella features innovation and high quality in the smart lighting industry. Given the huge success of our last 3 generations of smart floodlights, Novostella has never stopped exploring new ideas, hardware, and design, and is now ready to launch our latest generation, the AuroraLux. So today, we're going to unbox this brand new design, and we're going to demonstrate how it beats out the rest of the competition. First, let's start with the box. It shows a lot of information, like it's compatible with our mobile phone apps, Alexa and Google Assistant. And on the side here, we can see some specifications like IP66, that is the water resistance classification. So you don't need to worry about placing it outside or it getting wet. Now, let's open the box. First, we got the light here, as well as the manual. And right out of the box, the build quality feels fantastic. We can set the stand here to the angle that we desire. We can feel the metal here has a nice matte finish to it. And there's a nice design around the light. We also have the power cable here. The great thing about this light is it has a nice weight to it. It's got a great build quality. You can tell it's not flimsy or cheap, and it's not going to blow away or fall down from a light breeze or anything like that. So let's take a quick look at the manual. When we flip through the manual, we're going to quickly see it's going to answer all of our questions about the Novostella light. It's also going to walk us through the setup process. And once you go through the book and you set it up for yourself, you're going to see that it's quite simple. So let's check out now how the AuroraLux actually works. Let's start by powering it on. So first thing that happens when we plug it in is we're going to see that the red light starts flashing, which means that the light has connected to the app. Now we're just going to go into our Smart Life app and we're going to get the light set up. And now we're here to add the device. Go to Lighting and select the first symbol, Light Source BLE plus Wi-Fi. Now the light is already blinking, so we're going to click on the blinking light button and we're just going to enter our Wi-Fi password. And just like that, the light is connected. Let's enter the light control interface. We can right away see the color wheel on top, a brightness adjustment, as well as some classic presets. We have red, green, blue, and plenty of other colors to choose from. Or we can use our finger to set any color we'd like from the color wheel. After that, just select your brightness and you're ready to go. The other thing that's great about this light is the scenes and the light modes from the modes page. The reason why these modes are so different is that they have multiple colors simultaneously showing across the light, which we have never seen before on any other RGB floodlights. Let's check out what these effects have to bring to us. Firstly, we have Symphony mode here. These rainbow colors are really beautiful. We named this effect the Aurora Light Effect. Aside from Symphony mode, we have Trial mode, Popular mode, Stacking mode, and a Joint mode. So let's wrap it up here. Overall, I really love the build quality of this light. It's heavy, but not too heavy. It feels really solid, and the materials that were selected were very mindful. It's got a great textured finish to it, and it has a lot of awesome details. The new light modes exclusively to Novostella are a great addition for anyone looking to get more control of their lighting. You really feel like you can do anything in terms of control with these effects and the customization that it gives you. The Aurora Light Effect, out of question, makes this product an absolute winner when compared to other RGB floodlights. If you're doing any sort of backlighting or streaming at home, or you're looking for a party light or just a fun, exciting light to put on your back porch, this light is the one to choose. The customization and control to make it your own is really cool. Well, that's all for the AuroraLux unboxing and review. Hope we can share more great products with you soon. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.